Is it recording already? Okay. Welcome to the second tutorial of Browedit. Speedrun here, and today I'm all the way up, guys. This is what I'll be teaching. Change RO 3D texture, import 3D from web to RO, create 3D for RO, get training, and effects. Now, I know that looks like a 7-headed monster, but hey, you got to defeat it. If you want to outstand from the crowd, you gotta do it. And yeah, folks, this is still basic tutorial. We have so much to learn before intermediate and advanced. I am Speedrun, and I'll break down Browedit for you. Do you know what time is it? That's right, it's time to get started. Now, I don't like the screen like this, it's bothering me, it is too big. Let's change that. Let's get this fixed. Alright, so I close. And right now you can notice I have here on the right lower corner here of the screen everything that I'm clicking. So, first thing, we want to change the RO 3D texture. So let's get started. How do we do it? I'm lost. Okay, let's go. Let me see what I have here. I have Browedit. Right, nothing here. Custom map right here. So what I want is to bring these 4 files inside my data GRF. So I'm gonna go ahead and find my data GRF. I'll add data right here, right? Open it. And drag this here, right here. Now let's find the file. So let's type RO room, and I think I can go to any of this. Let's make it bigger. So here you can see I don't have the texture for the floor, but you can see whatever that's inside the GRF. So what I want to find right now is the texture for these 2 objects. So I will go to file resource, and here I can find the object and all the texture that is linking to this object. We're gonna get off this, and here we are going to get this file. Okay, so right now I will export to desktop. Let's create a new folder, and right here in this folder I'll name updating textures. Select. Oh, okay. I need to first of all save the GRF. Oops. Damn it. Save it. Now, I believe I need to open again, but let's try. Yeah. So let's open again the GRF. And RO room. Dating texture. Now it works, and I have here model. I have the 3D model. So if you every time you see RSM, that's the 3D model of Ragnarok Online. Wait, yeah, RSM. So if I go here, I can see the RSM, and in the corner the 3D model. let's change this texture right now, but first let's configure the size of Browedit screen. So Browedit and data config, and I remember right, it was this one, ROXML, and right here resolution X and resolution Y. So I want 1280 by 720, save, and if I open Browedit now, it should be good. Yeah, much better. Great. Let's change the texture for the 3D model. So how are we gonna do that? I need to open Photoshop right here, and while it's opening, I'll go to what I extract. So in here, updating texture, data, and texture again, model. Let's see what happened right here. We haven't selected the texture, so it didn't got extract. Let's do that right here, export again, and accidentally open the editor. Okay. Yeah, select folder, and now we should have the textures properly. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. Perfect. So let's change this and have fun with it. I have an eHerschel, but here I found some 3D models that I'm gonna import as well. Nice. So what I want to search right now is for some texture. I want marble, gold, Pinterest. Let's see what we find. This one, the first one looks really nice already. Oh, this looks really nice too. I'll get this. So I will drop it right here. And what else I want? Maybe marble, blue, gold. That looks really nice as well. I'll get the very first one. Very high quality, I like this. Nice. So the first thing we want to do is start changing this. I'll grab the first, maybe we can just bring all of them into Photoshop. Where are you? Okay. This is gonna be an exciting tutorial, guys, I can tell. I have no idea what the map will look like at the end, but I'm very excited for it. So this will be our cave, so I want to change it to maybe this blue right here, right here. So import this texture, I will make bigger right here, and I will use this is like gonna mix the top layer with the lower layer here in the corner, so I'll see what looks nice, if any, and we're gonna change the look of that 3D model a little. How crazy this would be? No, I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, I like overlay. So every single 3D here, I will use overlay and I'll save it back. So I go to BMP. This guy here is this one. Save on top. Now I was, yeah, just 24-bit is fine. I'll bring this one over here. Right, so I'll save it. BMP. This should be the number 4. Now I'll bring to the next one. Nice. Save it. And once again. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I thought they wouldn't carry the mixing effect here, but it comes together, so it's all good. Nice. So let's save this again. MP. One more to go. Alright, so I'll delete this copy and I'll keep the same name. You can actually change the name of your texture. Maybe I will change it. Let me see. What do we have until now? And we can close this for now. Texture, arrow room. We have texture 01. So I'll continue this and I will name the next one to be right here. So this will be texture 2. This will be texture 3. Oops. Wait. Oh yeah, that's right. So texture 2 and then texture 3. Then texture 4. Texture 5. I'm getting confused. Let's return all this. Okay, this time I can do it. This is 2, and then this will be 3, and then this will be 4, and then this will be 5. This will be 6. Right. So now we're gonna copy all these and bring to our texture RO room folder. And we still have this guy here. We will use the other texture for it. So now I return to Photoshop. And here I can close all. Yeah, close all. and we can bring this. Now we want to keep this pink color, which is this one. So it means in game here will be transparent. We have to preserve this part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to break this layer. Select here, here, actually. And I can control X and not yet. So in layer I have to break this layer. This image currently is in 8-bit. We have to turn back to RGB color. So now we can double click and unlock the layer, and now I can actually Ctrl X and delete the background. And now I can duplicate and I can Ctrl V again, and I can bring it back to the right place right here. So now the layer is separated, and now I can change just the top layer. What I want to do, try something random. That's what I want to do. I will go here to our texture that we downloaded. Oh, it is actually here, updating texture, data, texture, right here. I'll bring this over here. Just like that. Now I'll keep that little piece out. I'll hold right now Alt and bring to the top of the layer, and now I will blend, see what it looks like. Now I will try something out. If I select this piece of the texture, I would press Ctrl U to make everything black and white, and now we can experience something different. I like this one a lot. Overlay also works well with this one. I will go to Control. Let me try something out. I press Ctrl U and change the hue. Nothing changed. Let me try this. So I'll make a little bit darker here, and that's okay. Now this is good. We have one more, and I will wait my Photoshop respond. Nice. For this one, I believe we have to do the same thing. I'm not sure, but let's do it. So image, let's go to RGB color and double click it. Now with W I can select this, X, and now I can, oops, yeah, Ctrl X. Now I can duplicate, Ctrl V. Alright. Nice. Not so nice, this one. I'm trying to be as fast as I can, but this thing you cannot rush. It takes some time to get it right. I guess I'll just keep like this. I think it's gonna work. For this one right now, I want to bring this other texture right here. I also want to make black and white. Nice. This looks nice. I will make slightly darker. Something like that. Now I will go to the background and paste the black texture just a few. And I'll save this one. And now is the fun time, guys. We're gonna link the 3D model with this texture. And let me save the other one as well. And wish me luck, because as I said, I haven't done any rehearsal. I'm just trying it. Alright, so now we have the texture. Amazing. What should we do? I'll tell you. You will open your custom map and RO map.grf. I guess you're following my previous tutorial as well, so you know where I am. Okay. And right here we have the texture, RO room. Great. We're gonna bring all those textures right there. Let's start by this one. Drag right here. Nice. And we finish on texture 06. Now we go to, let me find here. So this one will be texture 07. Let's copy this. Let's paste it here. And texture 08. Nice. So now we're gonna bring this as well here. And we have our costume texture changed. I have no idea what this will look like in the game, and I'm very excited to see it. Let's save it. Now it's time to make our model recognize those textures so we can see them with the brand new texture. So I will need the 3D models that we also extracted here earlier, and I will rename them as well. I don't remember which one is this, but we'll figure it out. Is right now written in gibberish. Okay. So let's open this. And try to see it right here, whether this works or not. Alright, so this one is, I have no idea what I should call this, but let's call model 01, and this we call model 02. Let's close, don't save it. Okay, so this is model 02, and this one is model 01. Let me cut that. Oh, just leave it here actually. Now we're gonna link this. So we need to go to first I'll create a folder called model, and inside model I'll create a folder called RO room, and I will drag those models model 1 and 2. I'll drag them right here. Okay, this is very confusing, but it's a great practice. And if you can do it, you'll feel very satisfied, I can guarantee. Now I'm still getting my head into place because there's a lot of steps to do it here. We need to link the model. No, let's link the texture first. So Browedit, and we go to data, and then texture custom. Happened with the blind text by accident. Right. Okay, let's just do it right here. I copy this and I paste what, 7 times, something like that. And then we're gonna change this one 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07. Oops. 7. Well, right again. 7. Oh, I off the none-lock, so alright. That's gonna work. 07, 08. Okay, now we have linked the texture to our Browedit. What we can do now is to see if our Browedit will actually find those textures, and I hope so. So file, first we open a random map, and then we go to Windows RSM editor, go right here, and we try to find the model that we made. So custom map, model, RO room 01. So you can see that perfect launch is right there. It finds the texture on this path in red, and now we can change to what we have done by going to costume, and right here is our textures, which made me very happy because it's working, and I can change to the exact same one, and this is what it looks like. I already like it more than what it was. It looks really nice. This one right here, interesting. I think I would like to give some colors on this. So what could we make? If I press Ctrl U, I can colorize in the corner and maybe make something like blue, something like that, a bit more alive. I want to very alive this. Okay, this looks much nicer. Yeah, I'm getting excited right now. So I save it and hit OK. This is gonna be a long tutorial, but this is gonna be a great practice for you as well. So do it together and you will learn much better. Alright, so let's update our GRF with the texture, simple as that. Just so many windows has been opened already. Let's do this. I will close all windows. Let's open again, it's too confusing right now. So where I want to go is to map, link, texture, RO room, and here where did I save that? Just bring this over texture. Now it's updated. File, save. And that's it. We open Browedit again. here. Actually, we're gonna open, yeah, file open and desktop, custom map, our old room. Oh, I'm very confused, but yeah, whatever. So RSM editor, open, and then we are going to model, our old room, model 01. And right here we can do it again. So we go to this, and then we go to this, and this is looking nice. So I just click save. Our model is linked with those textures, so it's not going to affect the model in game. What we want to do now is close and open RSM editor again. Otherwise, when you save it again, you might crash Browedit. You might crash it anyway, but let's do it. So if you hold shift, you can actually bring the model up. And now we're gonna find these textures right here. Alright. So this maybe is this one, and this one is maybe this one, and this one, and whatever, this one. And now I'm confused. One more here, and this. Okay. This is not looking right. Okay, this is looking better, like this. Just go ahead and save and press OK. It works, perfect. So now this is gonna look really good, guys. I'm getting so excited for this map. I'll close, and we bring the model to our GRF. So now we have model our old room. So we bring it here inside data. Let's see the model, if the model works. Now, guys, this deserves a thumbs up. Come on, look. I saved so many hairs on your head right now because this information is not really out there. Okay. Now I have this as well, and I love how it looks. This map is gonna look excellent and free to download, huh? Alright, so file, save, and let's next time we launch Browedit, we can use those models in game. But we haven't linked the model yet to Browedit, so wait, let's go to Browedit and let's figure it out how to link those models, okay? So I go to Browedit and data. Inside data, I'll go to model something, row, our own models. I think this is the one. Let's open with Notepad. So yeah, I was missing a model on the path, so the model didn't show up in Browedit. Now it is gonna show up in Browedit, so I can delete the upper two. So always make sure the path is valid. Same thing as texture. One side will be for Browedit, another side will be for the data folder. Now I will close here, whatever, just close this, and yeah. So right now I can close Sublime Text as well, and I will go to Browedit, file open, our old room, press M for model, So in model, I have here, right here, model, the model. Great. So we can press here, and we can press F4, F5, yeah, F5 for object edit mode. And then I can press Ctrl and click. So now we have this brand new model. So let's copy and turn and replace with this one. And this one, we copy from this. Nice. So right now we're gonna change this guy right here. So press M, bring the brand new one. Remember, here it's gonna be 90, and here is gonna be 5, 5, 5. Okay. So if you want to see the light, you go to View, Global Lightning. Now, because this object naturally too small, and you make it bigger, it will get darker, but in game it's gonna look better, a lot better. Now I can go back here to Global Lightning, and I really like this. I think it brings better feeling to the map. Let's replace right there. Okay, confusing. It's very confusing, this. All right. Thing like that. Now copy this. Nice. So I'm checking if the measurement is good. And this is good. I like that. So right now I go to File, Save, and guys, we have done something amazing right here. Now, how can I import a 3D from the internet? So I'm gonna show you right now. I'll close this for now, and I will go to this website. Here I found one 3D that I really like, and another thing is have very small amount of triangle, vertices, polygons, whatever you call, and it's a free to download. So I downloaded, I believe, in OBJ. And this one I also found really nice, and I have seen that has high amount of triangles, but it's below 2000, so this is a positive sign. It will probably work, and I have downloaded as well. Now I'm gonna convert these 3D models to use in game, and for that I will need 3ds Max. Now you can do this in Blender, but at the end you will have to use something called another converter. Let me see if I find here for you very fast. Oh, give me a second while I was opening the 3ds Max. Yeah, the program you will need in case you use Blender is this one, RSM Converter. And you will have to get your 3D model in a FBX file format. So I don't use Blender. I'm not a Blender guy. So if you want to know more, perhaps you can ask in the group for someone who have done through this method. However, it looks pretty self-explanatory. You basically bring your FBX here, where you want your RSM file to go, and you convert. That's it. Now, you need to link the texture again in Browedit once you do that. But in this case, I will not save it to FBX, I'll save to 3ds format. It's a format that Browedit can read directly. So let's get started by opening the place where I download those models right here, and you will see that I have these two zip files, and I'm gonna extract them, see what is inside. I actually haven't seen at all. I will extract these two folders, and let's work on this one at the very first. Try to do as fast as I can. I know this video can be very tiring, but it's better than you keep watching 200 videos to find some random information, right? Now I have the model right here. If I go to large icons, probably all I need is this one and this one. So this is the column. I'll bring the column to 3ds Max, and it's gonna be a very quick job. So I paste somewhere. I already realized that's really too big. What I want to do is select all, and I will make smaller, like a lot smaller. So about 15. Now I'm not the 3ds teacher, but let me give you some tips. If you hold Alt and Shift, you can turn like this. Mouse wheel to scroll in and out, and you can move around the screen by hold Control and middle mouse button. So pretty easy. So now what you want to do is go to M. Actually, I need to go. So 3ds Max has changed something a while ago. I need to come in here and change to skyline render. That's good. Now I want to make those objects become just one. What I'm gonna do is convert to poly, and then I go to attach, just attach those together. Right. So now I press M, and I want to use standard legacy material. Right here, I want to make this texture. Let me see the size of this texture. 1024 is fine, so I drag it here. But hold on, this has to be a BMP, so forget about this one. Let's bring into Photoshop and change it to BMP. Not only that, but let's do that first. Save to BMP, and this I'll call texture. Where did we stop before? I want to open my GIF. Texture 09. Texture 09. That's BMP. But 09B, this one. And the next one will be, we need to go to image rotation, and flip canvas vertical. Why? Well, so basically, because I convert with Browedit, for some reason it flipped my texture. I want to do something more because I'm getting crazy right here. This is gonna be a very long tutorial. Lava texture stone Pinterest. Okay, so I want to get something like this. Easy. And I'll bring right here, and I'll bring right there. Okay, so something like that. Now I want to blend. Which one I like the most? I'm thinking. Oh, this one could be a nice one. This is also nice. So I think I'll make a bit. Overlay is always a good one. So I will make slightly brighter, and I like this overall. So I save that, and this will be our BMP texture 09. This is the one going to TRF. So once again, I want to return here to Browedit. It's a tiring job, I know. This is gonna be a huge video, guys. I'll go to that's the part when I start getting confused, but I'll figure this out. What I need, our own map. Oh yes, I need to link in Browedit. Data and texture custom again. Now I'll add 09 right here. And why not just add a few more? Maybe I'll separate, so this is unused, and I'll put here like 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, okay. So if I want to use in the future, I'd have it. Okay. Time to bring the texture right here, texture 09. Oops. File save. Now we're gonna convert that 3D model. So I go here and also bring this guy. Bring this guy right here and link to the 3D model and export to this 3D model so we can bring to the game. This one is gonna be if I remember right, is diffuse color, and then I just click on the model, is reading. And then I click on this spray right here, and then this is the model. We're gonna save. Oops, I actually don't need to save this. So just file, export selected, and I'll go to Just to make sure, I'll position this model in the center of the canvas. So reset center to object like this. Then I'll put 0, 0, 0. And right now I'm gonna export it. So file, export, selected. So here I'll go to 3ds, and right here we have sorry guys, Browedit, custom map, model. Okay, so in custom map I'll put here model 03. Great, so now we open Browedit, file, open from GRF in any random map, and now is where the magic happens. Convert 3ds to RSM, and then model 03, and now we save back to RSM. Then we go to Windows, RSM editor, open model 03, and we link the texture that we have made. Oops, I opened the wrong Browedit. Okay, so let's do this properly. This is the one I should be using. File, open RSM editor, open, and then I go to model 03, texture, some bug. Let's try once again. File, open from GRF, then RSM editor, open, model. Now we are able to select. I want to go to custom. This one, nice. Now look at these guys. This looks so good. I'll save this one. And to finish, I will create a 3D model right here, guys, right here. It's a very tiring tutorial, but I'm here teaching you some amazing tips. Subscribe, I'll be very happy. I don't ask so often, but this worth. Alright, so let's create our very nice 3D model. It's very simple, but it's good that you know you can do it. So first thing I want to do is create a box. Now I don't know how it's gonna look in game, the size, whatever, but I have the idea that 40 by 40 will be a very nice size. And right here I would say let's try 6. I like 6. So we go here 0 and then 0 and then center it. Now the fun starts. I'll take the very first texture from our previous video. And that texture was right here. Yeah, texture 01. So I take this, press M, and I want standard legacy right here. Connect diffuse. Now we just select our model link the texture. Nice. This already looks so good. What I want to do now is convert to editable poly, unwrap UVW, and I want to select this full, and I want to go to Open UV Editor. Again, this is not a tutorial on 3ds Max, but yeah, you will find yourself. You can see in the corner what I'm doing, right? So this one, let's bring it down here. This one, maybe around here. This one, the other side. This one. So this is looking not so nice, of course. Flip it right here. And this, I'll do the same thing. Flip it. And maybe just bring right. I'll make slightly smaller. And nice. Now this looks very nice. I think this is good enough. This is what I need. This is the first model, just in case. I'll save to my desktop. Model for RO room. And now I also want to create the stairs. How do I do that? I'll go to create another box. Now let's say this is gonna be, let's say 40 by 40, looks like this. I want this time to be 15 by 40, and let me see how I'm gonna do these stairs. There's a few ways we could create the stairs, and right, so I'll press F4 to see the grid, and I will go to convert to editable poly, and I'll select this side and this side, and I'll click connect. Now that's not good, so I want to go more about here. 60, okay. Now we're gonna start to connect this. So I'm gonna extrude, and my extrude level, I want it to be 6, and then firm, and then I'm gonna extrude 6, let's say 9. And let's create 2 more lines here. Connect. Now I can put say 50. Oops. 40. Okay, 40 looks good. Then connect again. Extrude. This 6. And one more time. Extrude. And then press OK. Maybe I'll put 8, 9. Okay. So this looks good. Now I want to extrude just one more time. Press here 6, maybe 3. And to finish, one more here. Okay. Save. Now we have this nice stair we can add to our game. I think this is good. So now we're gonna apply the texture. Oh, how much is this already? 1 hour video? So once we apply the texture, we go to Unwrap UVW. Open UV editor. Oops, not correct. Need to cancel this square here. And oh yes, Unwrap UVW. Oh, this is gonna be a bit annoying. I make a little bit random, guys. This having fun. I think this looks good. I want this to be perfect square. Guess just need to try this out. Okay, this one works. Alright, whatever. This looks pretty good already. Now we have a stairs and we have basically all the 3D models. Just one left, so let's do it all in once. We still have the statue. It is hot today. Oh my god. Alright. So here's the texture. Where is the 3D model? That's you right here. Bring it. Import file. This is a big statue. So what I want to do is scale down this. Not like that. Something like that. Maybe a bit bigger. Something like that. And now press M. And this one, I also want to add a different texture to it. Let's see how this one looks. Oops. I guess, guys, I want to do the same thing to this one. So I'll get its texture. Should be here. This one, and I'll bring to Photoshop. And here I'll bring this. Try to blend these two layers. Okay, this looks good enough. I'm happy. So file, image, rotate, flips vertical. We can link any texture and later on put this. Let's speed up our work a little bit. So BMP, and this will be texture. I have no idea, 10. Okay, save and OK. Now I'll add this here. And also this one we're gonna duplicate. No, actually this is okay already there, so fine. We have everything now. We're gonna export the 3D models and soon we can start designing our maps. But yeah, so this we will just link any random texture. Doesn't really matter right now. And we export this. So we have right here model 03, 04, and 05. File, export, export selected, and model 04, right? Oops. What is the model 03? I forgot. Alright, so 03 now is model 04. And then File, Export Selected. This is gonna be model 05. And this next one, model 06. Nice. So now we are going to convert these 3D models and add to game as well. Oops, I opened the wrong Browedit again. This one. Time to convert. File. Open from GRF. Tools. Convert. And then we go to model 04. Save. And the same thing for model 05 and model 06. Windows and RSM editor open. Let's start by 04. And this model, what it was, this was the square, I guess. Yeah, it looks really good. It's safe. Now do it again for 05. And this 05 will be out the stairs, right? Nice. Alright, I like this. So, once, last, I guess, will be model 06. And this one will be this. Oh, that looks nice. Ooh. Let's save this and hit OK. So right now we have all these models. Let's link to our Browedit. Right here. 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many it was. 3, 4, oops, 4, 5, 6. And 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Save. Now we can use this in Browedit. Finally! Woohoo! Guys, how are you folks? Having fun? Are you still having patience to listen to me? But it's good. You're eventually gonna get a master in this. And let's just have fun right now, right? We have everything. File, open map, and yeah, this one. Whew, this moment I feel nervous all the time because it might work, it might not. So let's go to F5 and M, and here we go, model. We forgot to add it on the GRF, I guess. So here should be. Now you have to close Browedit to actually import the 3D. Let's do that. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, Yeah, so 4, 5, and 6 we bring here. 1, 2, 3. Right. File save. And now we can open Browedit again. Open the wrong one. This one. File, open from GRF. No. Speedrun, what you're doing? Is your mind too tired? Guys, let's do properly once again. So file, open, and now the 3D model will be there. So I go here to F5M and model. Yes, nice. So what I want to bring first, maybe this. Just want to see how it looks. Oh, nice. This looks really good. Okay, so what I want to do it first, really. I want to add some textures right here so that I can see when I move this ground lower. But first, I need to have a break, so see you in 1 second. Alright. Time to continue. Well, I want this to be a lava map. So I go to edit. If I remember right. Edit. Hold water. Edit. And now I use the bracket. Find the lava. Come on. Alright, I guess this is the one. So now I'll press F2 and F1, and I want to also change the texture around here so I can see what I'm selecting. Okay, so I press F2 and I bring this much. I'll bring it lower. So page down. Around here. Now I want to go to view water and remove the water. So I'll go to F3 and I'll press plus and I'll copy this piece of the ground pressing C. Now bring up here. Now I'll bring everything up here. I guess just like this. Let's make bigger and bring down all this. Now the thing is getting interesting. This map is gonna become really cool. Right. So now if you go back to view and water, you can see our lava is here, looking nice. So if I turn on the object, you can see the objects here. Now I want to add something. Let me think. Maybe we'll make bigger the object. Let's say 6, 6, 6. It's a weird number, I know. Go shift and page down to go in a higher speed to the lower ground. When touch the lava, I stop. Same thing here. Shift, page down. Yeah. And I forgot to make this bigger as well. 6, 6, and 6. Okay, so let's see if the size of this cave right now is proper by going to edit mode and try edit, hold Ctrl and click, and you can see that looks good. Now remember to save, guys. File, save. Here I'll put another character, and here I'll put another character. Okay, and one more character. Nice. File, save. And what I want to do next is I want to mess up with the ground a little bit, so I'll go to F3. If I click, the ground will lift. It's not what I want, so I press U, and I go here to Windows, to Edit, and Sloping. So like this, when I click, you can see the ground moves a little bit. So I can keep holding left click, and then the ground will become a little bit different. if you want to smooth a little bit, you press S, but it doesn't bring all the time a good result. So you be careful right there. Now we are just having fun, really. So that's very nice. I'll file and save. Below here, I'll turn off the water again, and I'll fulfill this whole map with texture. I don't think it will be visible in game, but let's just do it. So I copy, copy, copy. So now if I go to view water, now this looks really good. File save. Alright, so if I press O for object and F3, I can make a little bit bigger. Maybe I can make some kind of mountain here. We are just starting, guys, just starting. So you can have a feeling that create a map is not so random. And it's a beautiful work. You should appreciate those people who work hard for custom maps. It is really worth to pay $60 for a map work. And yeah, so I start to like this. I think this is ideal already. I'll just bring one more up here, just slightly, a little bit, maybe one right here. Oof. Nice. Now I can save again. Oh, this is looking really good. Nice. What I want to do now is press M for model. I want to bring this here. Let's press F5 and control click. Let's see the size of this. Pretty much perfect, 40 by 40 in 3ds Max. Okay, I like that. So I will edit window snap object to the floor of that. Bring this here, right in the corner. Let's see. View, top camera. So bring around here. Copy this. Hold Shift so the object stay in the same level. And I'll put it here. And this again right here. And to finish, right here. So now we go to View, Top Camera. Okay. Here I'll press Shift page up 5 times. Well, let's say 10 times. And here too. Oops. 50. So File, Save, and now I'll go to F5 Models, and I'll bring this statue. So maybe this statue can put inside the lava. Oh yes, this is the just touch the water, guys. Don't put completely inside. I mean, lava or dirty water is all water. Don't put inside it. The object 3D, I mean. Otherwise, in game you might see some black tiles when your character is walking, so I'll just keep like that for now. I'm thinking if I'll put right here inside lava or not. Maybe not yet. So what I'm gonna do is to bring this 50 page up. Page down here. view of camera. Let's copy and do the same. Here. 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 Nice. So now I'll click File, Save, and I'll grab this, I'll copy it, and I will place here for now. So what I want to do right now is to let me think. I want to press enter and rotate. I think it's this one. Let me try 90. Yes, so 90, 180 right here. And now press shift and page up. Now I'll make the copy and run. And I'll press shift and page up again. Now I'll press Ctrl, copy and bring it right here. Oh. This is not right. Shift page up. Oops. Shift page up and bring that. Okay. I'll try to select the upper one. Here, then shift push up, now I copy this one right here, and here, Nice! Very nice. So now let's save and fix the get so our character can walk around this. Now the get is a mess. We're gonna fix it. So I need to go to edit and take the sloping. Right now I need yes page up to bring the get up, and we can fill the stair. So I believe you have understood how to work with the gets. Right now I will speed up the video, and once I'm done to set up the gets, I'll be back. right now, to make the gets right here to become the same level as the ground, all you have to do to press spacebar, so you can bring the gets perfectly above the ground. So for now, guys, this is okay with the gets. We now turn back the lava, and this is what we can see overall. Soon I'll be adding some effects, and we will test in game as well. I'll do some more fixing here, and I'll be back with the effect. See you. So the look of our map is done. Now I will try some effects, see how it looks in game, and our video is done. It's been a long journey. We are finishing it. So now what I have to do is go to effect edit, and then I'll put a few random effects here and see how it looks in game and choose my effect from there. So I have a list here. The first one is the effect number 47. This is the very first one, and the second one is 255. Always remember to unselect the effect before you adding the new effect. Okay. The third effect is 690. So I have added 11 effects on the map, and I'll see how it looks in game right now. And From there, I'll check if I'll use in map or not. And our map is actually done for now, for this video. We'll have more videos to improve this map, but for now it's more than perfect. So let's see how it looks in game right now. Here is a quick showcase of what the effect looks in game, and now I have an idea what I want to choose to keep inside my map. I have already made, so I'll update the files. Update the files, these ones, inside my data folder. Replace. Now when I launch the server again, then we can see what looks like. I need to adjust a little bit the fires here. There are some smokes. And now we're gonna walk to the second floor. So now I'm gonna adjust the effects, and you can download this map for free on Ratina. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, see you on the next one. And if you have seen the whole video, please comment below. Thanks everybody, and see you.